The towel bars and bottom apron will come inside the stove when you get it, so you're going to have to get those out to be installed. There's the bottom apron. Towel bars. This is the side shelf bracket. Then you've also got the poker for the stove and the lid lifter. First, you're going to need to remove the towel bars from the saran wrap. You're going to get a knife, razor blade, something sharp to cut it open with. But don't cut the towel bars. Once you've removed the towel bars from the plastic, you're going to take the long one. The longest one goes in the front, the two shorter ones on the sides. You're going to need the brackets and screws that you removed from the plastic. First, you're going to put the screws into the holes on the towel bar. Put the bracket over there. And then you're going to insert right into the holes on the front of the stove. You can start them by hand without a screwdriver. Go back and tighten them later. Make sure that you have these flush and not facing the wrong direction. If you have two people, it's going to be easier. Then move on to the next one. Once you get the front one on, you're going to go to the sides and do the same exact thing. Just inserting the screws on both ends. And making sure that they fit flush with the stovetop. Once you've got them in there, then you can go back with a flathead screwdriver and you can tighten them down then. Perfect. Now that we've got the towel bars installed, we're going to move on to the front apron. We do have the lid lifter here. That's just goes in the holes of the top lid, just to remove those, like so. This is the front apron that we're going to be putting on. Notice the tabs in the back. So we're just going to install this on the bottom of the stove now. On the bottom of the stove, you're going to find two slots where these tabs are going to insert at. Slide them in like so. Then you're probably going to have to muscle them in there a little bit.